Good afternoon, everybody. I hope I'm recording. Once again, this is the same day, Saturday, and it is like pouring so hard, y'all. I mean, it's scary. Look at it, it's raining sideways, and the wind is blowing. I don't know what is going on now. Look at the street. The water's just pouring down the street. I don't know how well I'm videotaping it, but it is pouring, I tell you. Woo! Yes, it's pouring, and somebody's out there walking in the rain, y'all. I know they didn't have to walk far to get drenched. Woo! The wind is blowing. Wow! Now it's slowing up a little. I hope I got this. But all of a sudden I hear all this loudness, and there's a guy riding around on a bicycle, y'all. Check that out. Oh my God. This is the excitement that I got this afternoon. Look at that tree, how the wind is blowing the tree. And look, I don't know how well it's showing, but that's how, woo, it's slowing up. It's slowing up. Wow. I didn't know what was going on. I'll tell you the honest goodness truth, because I'm sitting here on the computer as usual. And this is what I see. I mean, it's still coming. Look at that. Ooh. Can y'all see all that wind? Oh, Lord, I wonder if it's a tornado. Oh, my God. But thank God there's no thunder, not that I could hear, and lightning, but it is still pouring. It is pouring. As you can see, I'm at the back door now. And look at poor Pinky. Pinky is blowing. The evergreen tree right there is blowing. Everything is blowing. And look at I don't know if you can see how the water's running off that rooftop. See how that water's running down right there? It's just running. I got a little roof right here in the back door on the top. Let's see if I can crack this door open. This is exciting, y'all. This is what I got this afternoon. This is what's going on in my neck of the woods. Woo! Man, they chucked it back in the house. It's like all of a sudden big gusts of wind start. And it starts to blow real hard. If you could only see, if I wasn't scared to go out there, see how the other trees were doing across the street. The camera, I don't know if it's picking up all that. But this is something to behold on a Saturday afternoon, y'all. September I forgot what date it is. It's September the 7th. Saturday, September the 7th. Let's see if I can go in my bedroom. Don't pay my bedroom no mind, y'all. I ain't made my bed because I ain't been too long got up out of it. Let's see. mean, you could actually hear it. Wait a minute, in this furnace room. I don't know if it's picking it up on the phone or not. But anyway, I'm about to hang up the video. I don't know if y'all could see me or not, but whew, that was something because it was pounding. It started all of a sudden pounding against my window, and I was get me. I told you I took me a nap, and so. And this guy's talking about Trump. Wait a minute, let me turn him down. I just left everything and got up here and talked to the AAG team because I wanted everybody to see what was going on. And it's still going on. Oh, yeah. It slowed down, but it's still going on. Wow. See, that water is still running down the street. That's how hard it's raining. When it started running, the water started running down the street like that, then you know. But see, it slowed up a lot since when I came out here first. Woo. I didn't listen to the weather report this morning, so I don't know if it, I didn't know all this was going to be happening. I knew it had, we had some rain this morning because I was planning to go out, but I said, no, it's a dark, gloomy day, so I'm not going out. But I'm not going to hold y'all up any longer. I just wanted to show you that because to me, that's exciting. Let me put myself in the mirror again, y'all. How y'all doing this afternoon? I hope all is well. My stomach is full. I feel good. Now I'm thinking about having a cup of coffee. But I did drink me some more water. I'm doing pretty good drinking the water. And I got 2 more bottles down here. Hopefully I'll be able to finish those before, I go to bed tonight. So I'm going to drink this one, the rest of this, and 2 more. Wait a minute, that would be 5 bottles. Well, almost 5 because I had part of a bottle that I had brought out of my bedroom. So I'm doing pretty good with the water department. And I ain't going to hold y'all up because I got so excited. Now I'm out of breath. And on that note, you already know I go with love.